Guys, you can't go wrong with a Camry, and you definitely can't go wrong with our one-owner 2020 SE Sport Camry. It has the sport fascia in the front and in the rear, the big 18-inch wheels, brand new tires all the way around. One owner with the service records from Toyota. I'll give you a slow pan around this car. Absolutely gorgeous car. There's your spoiler. Look at your sport fascia on the rear as well. Your ground effects on the side. This is a SE Sport with the sunroof, with the touch and go system. Guys, on the inside is just as new. The one owner condition shows. Carfax says one owners typically bring 15% more money. Well, not here at the Trading Post. You're getting a one owner Camry that's like new with the service records. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, guys. We have a program for everyone. It's got collision avoidance, lane departure, pedal shifters in the steering wheel, USB hookups, sunroof up top. You can check out my website at tradingpostcars.com. You can apply as well, put in your down payment information, and we'll go to work for you. 2020 one-owner Toyota Camry, Trading Post Supercenter, tradingpostcars.com. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family, guys. Great people, awesome prices, and a fantastic white SE Sport Toyota Camry, 2.5 liter, 34 miles per gallon. What are you waiting for? 828-464-0600, or again, tradingpostcars.com. You're going to love it here, and you're going to love our Camry. Call us before it's gone.